Where is Bart? 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 Two hands are there. Two people.
No, just one.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Two people were having different hands. Two Barts can be two Barts. Two Barts, two hands I saw, no? So two Bart, among two Barts, let the smart come first. Okay. I have always tried to understand the self. First of all, you have heard, don't try to understand. Number one mistake. I have just spoken for about half an hour.
This is graveyard.
Huh?
This is graveyard.
Yes. So you are speaking from graveyard. Always I have tried to understand self. When you have tried to understand self, what did you find? Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, let it go. Now I see that I have had it backwards. Now I see that I have had it backwards. First be, then understand, follows naturally after the mind has been submerged in being. Yeah, that's good. What do you mean? After the mind is submerged in the being, what do you mean? What do you mean by this? What do you actually mean what you write?
Babaji,
Yes. Yes.
I mean that when I stop trying to understand and just be,
Yes.
and the mind disappears.
Okay. The mind disappeared.
Disappears.
Okay. The mind has now disappeared.
Then when the mind emerges again.
No. First, let us step by step.
Okay.
You see. Let us go step by step. When you say I go to restaurant, you go to restaurant and don't find a bathroom at that time. You see. During that time, when you are eating, do you ask for a bathroom?
No.
Why? Why don't you ask?
Because I was hungry, I went to eat.
Yes, when you are hungry, you have eat. You have to eat when hungry. Okay? Now, the mind is now submerged in being. Okay? It's submerged. Let it submerge. Why you say when? It will be seen later. First do it what you speak. You are on the table having your lunch. It's no use finding a bathroom. Later on when you go, when the necessity will arise, you will feel, you will do whatever you need. First, let the mind merge into being and speak from here, 1 second, and then later on speak to me. Isn't it? Isn't it not fair? So you must, when you write, you must mean what are you going to write. When you are in love, wedding is not performed. Are you preparing for the divorce at the same time? Eh?
No, Papaji.
No problem. Very good then. Wedding is not yet performed and you are going to seek advice for a divorce. That's not fair. Don't deceive yourself and don't deceive your would-be partner also, isn't it?
Yes, Papaji.
Yeah. First have experience, then later on we will see what happens. First merge for 1 second this mind which you speak in the being. Let it merge first for 1 second, and during that 1 second you speak. Then we will see, after this 1 second, we will see. Then you question. Now the mind has merged for 1 second, which I speak about. If you are honest, if you are really doing it, then do it. And then during this span, speak to me or anyone who's around you. Do you follow what I mean? And do you understand what you write also or no? Do you follow what you write also or no?
Yes, Papaji.
Okay, please. Then please do it here. After this much you have written, but then do it first here. Doing, you don't need to think for doing this. You have not to think and not to exert also. This instant has got nothing to do with thinking, you see. Thought was before. This was a thought. I submerged was a thought. When submerged into being, this thought has become no thought. Now from here, when there is no thought, no desire, from this being, you cannot be different from this being itself. Submerging water into water becomes water. Stone in water will remain stone, number one. Water into water remains water. Submergence means that I, now submerging into the being, is being itself. Now as a being, you have to speak for one instant as a being. Later on we will see.
There's no words, Papaji.
Huh?
There are no words.
No word? Okay. No word, no doing. Acha, no word, no thought. You are just being, okay na? Now you come out of this thing. Now you walk out of this being. Walk out. From the being, walk out. Step out. What is it that has stepped out of this being? The wave that comes out of the ocean, what is it?
Water.
Water. Not a mountain, no? Not a mountain, not a tree. So let this being now come out of this being and go on going. Wherever it goes, what it is, let this being move as a being wherever you go.
It doesn't move, Papaji.
Eh?
It doesn't move right now.
Doesn't, okay, right now. But 1 second is over now, no? My 1 second is over. Now it is your time. You now ask questions, I will reply. After all, it has moved, no? It's a long letter, isn't it? It's a long letter, I have to see.
It moved a lot.
Yes, but now speak, let it move, I say. Speak about. Now speak about movement also, but from here.
When I look into your eyes, I just am submerged in the being.
Yes, then. Okay, now don't look at my eyes. Don't look at my eyes.
Everything arises out of that being.
Okay, then let it rise then. Yes, yes. Everything arises out of the being. Everything arises out of the being, must be being. Isn't it? This conviction you have to have. And it's not unreasonable conviction. Everything that rises from the ocean must be water, or you disprove it. Isn't it? So you have to see, I am that. That's all. And don't speak even this, because that's enough. No word you say, no? Okay, I'm not reading your letter. It's enough you say. Everything arising from the being, that's all, is being. That's all. That's all.